It is Monday when you're seeing this. It is currently Sunday. And I have more Happy Mail. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, let's just jump right in. I am going to do my weekly spending recap. Don't worry. But we'll do Happy Meal first, and then I'll show you what we spent. And just so you know, we had a blizzard come through. So it did help with my spending. You'll see. All right, let's start with the top one. Organized by Kat. So Kat is so cute. She put this. So it says happy birthday. Obviously, she sent this for my birthday, which is at the end of April. She said, sorry, all I have are pugs in my stationery collection. But look how cute that pug is. I love any of the scrunchy doggies. Obviously, we had a French Bulldog Boston Terrier, but pugs are right in that bracephalic scrunchy nose dog family. But it's so cute. This just made me happy. She is so fun to watch. She puts out some real videos mixed in with her budgeting videos, and she did an awesome one about, like, she recently quit a job due to anxiety and kind of starting this job and realizing that it wasn't what it was portrayed to be, and knowing her self-worth and what she wanted to, the direction she wanted to take with her job. She had enough courage to just leave the job and look for a better fit for her. And I loved watching that because I don't know if I could ever do that. And it's refreshing to see someone value their mental health over money. And so her latest videos are about budgeting, about being unemployed. Go check her out. That's all I can say. Go support Kat. She's amazing. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Doug the pug. How cute. And there's a star. I love stars. Did some puggy say birthday? Okay, this is so cute. Yes, money. Enjoy a drink on me. I chose this specifically because the serial number is one letter away from spelling pug. Oh, PG. Okay, that is super cute. And one drink costs $5. So, like, this legit will buy me a drink. This is awesome. I am putting this in my, yes, taco drink fund. This is a $5 bill that I can put towards that challenge from Erica Budgets. Thanks, Kat. That is so awesome. Also, thanks for supporting my drinking. Keep in mind, guys, I do drink responsibly. I only have 2 drinks, usually at the bar, and then I switch to water. So I do go there more for the social aspect of it, but I do enjoy a couple of drinks. All right, Tracy. Oh, look at this fancy writing. This is like that kind of like layered vinyl that some people have. Hope yours is extra happy. May your birthday be filled with joy and laughter, the same that you bring to others. Thank you for always being such a positive and supportive pillar of our community. Your enthusiasm and consistency creates such a motivating piece to be. Lots of love on your day. Kat and her she has a cat named Tessie. Aw, thanks, Kat. I apologize. When I read cursive, I read a lot slower. But I love it. This is so good. Thank you. Oh my gosh. He's gonna stay in the picture. All right. Next up is Saving with Peggy. So this is a Minnesota girl. I love when Minnesota people send me stuff. It just feels like extra hometown hug, like, right? Okay, and Peggy, I know, has an Etsy shop now. She's the one that sent me my Minnesota challenge. Oh my God. It's another bug. Well, this could be a French. It's hard to tell sometimes when they're little, but it looks a little bit more pug-like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Hi, Tracy. Your puppy binder is darling. Here's my new doggy scratch off to help you save. Peggy. Yes. This is totally going in my doggy thing. Saving with Peggy at Etsy.com. So check out her Etsy shop if you're interested. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Peggy. Oh, is this up north? The lighthouse? Awesome. Now I got 2 little puggies. We'll keep him in the bottom. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, those faces. I was at a store yesterday and someone had their French bulldog in and named Walter. Oh my gosh. Yes, I stopped and petted it. Yes, I found out their name. Walter. Oh my gosh. Walter. It was so good. It was so cute. Oh, I just couldn't resist. All right. This is from Reinventing Renee. You all know our little nerd, budget nerd leader. So this I ordered. So this was me doing an order. And yes. So her little card. Here's how to find her. Look at her hitting up all the different sites. Yes. Hey, nerd. I have nothing to say to you. This means she loves me. Oh, I just love her humor. It just, for whatever reason, she cracks me up. So I put an order in for a taxes envelope and for this vehicle maintenance envelope. And I did can I get an A5 instead of an A6? But if you're not able to do it, like an A6 is just fine. And she was able to do it. Oh my gosh. Because we have a truck. Like, how cool does this look? Oh my gosh. I love it. The colors are perfect. Oh, so good. And then taxes. So we save up for our taxes. I love the Hail Caesar. I don't know. It just is so good. So I had to buy both of these off of her Etsy site. And then I wanted Halloween scratchers, which I thought she only did A6 size, but maybe she's doing an A5 size now. Halloween edition. Ooh. So I did the selecting where it's, oh my gosh, little doggy, bat dog. Where I wanted each of the designs. A taco dog. Sorry. Oh, I feel like she did this for me. I don't know. She'll probably say no, but she did. But I wanted one of each of the designs, and I think there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, but I didn't know that she was doing A5. So this is awesome. I wanted to use these for my niece and nephew binders. So I was thinking I'd just keep scratching through and I can just have Halloween themed. I just thought it's so fun. They just look so neat. I don't even know how much is on each of these. So it'll be a total surprise, but this is an order. I ordered all these things. So I'm just excited that she was able to do the A5 size. Yes. Okay. Last happy mail is from Busy Lizzie. I had to show you this front because she put her dog Ranger on her address thing. I just love this face. Oh, it's so cute. And of course, her little sloth happy mail. So this I have no idea because, oh. So I ordered from her shop, and I'm guessing because I printed it in black and white, she was like, no, you need color. Because I literally just printed them in black and white and was like, I don't have a color printer, so I didn't do it in color. Yes, but look how pretty it looks now in color versus my black and white version. Oh, Georgette. So she was watching last week's Happy Mail, and I printed Georgette in black and white and said that I thought it was awesome that she offered a black and white option, because not all of us have color printers, myself being one of them. But in her PDF file, she does provide you with the color and the black and white options all together. And I just think it's so cool, and you get all the different sizes. But look how pretty it looks in color versus black and white. No, don't get me wrong. I would have colored that pig very nicely, but this just pops way more. And just to show you all the different sizes you get, and you get an envelope. So she legit printed me out the colored ones on cardstock along with this one. How cute. Oh my gosh, Lizzie, thank you. And I wasn't even expecting it. I appreciate you so much, Lizzie. Oh, she has her own like special stickers. Oh, the sloth. T, she is a sticker fanatic, and she finds the cutest stickers. Okay, there's something like puffy in here. So in her last video, I sent her a sloth Christmas card. So how funny that she sent me one at the exact same time. Yes, stars. I love stars. My whole life I've loved stars. Oh my gosh. I'll read the card in a second, but can we look at this cute little puppy? Yes. Now, Lizzie would not know this, but my dad is obsessed with Bomb Pops, and I bought him a Father's Day shirt that was like themed around Bomb Pops. This is perfect. It reminds me of my dad, and she would never know that. Like, I've not talked about that. What? Ooh, look at those disco balls. I mean, cherries. Oh my gosh, a sloth hugging a donut. I'm surprised she parted with this. I would think that she'd keep every sloth thing to herself. Sloth and a coconut. This is me. This is gonna be my birthday. Just relaxing, soaking in a bath, bubble bath after the spa. Loving life. Don't trip over something that is behind you. True story. Move on, people. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Oh, a puppy paw print. Can you tell I miss dogs? A G-Buck. And this is like... I went through the wash at least 6 times, and I've changed hands with at least 1,576 people. What's this? What's the Rent song? I can't think of it at the moment. Oh my gosh, you talk about a well-loved. This is well-loved. Thank you, Lizzie. You are amazing. Oh, Tracy, you are so sweet. I want to support your local print shop, but you're hurting our eyes. Cheers, cuz I'm just sort of crazy about you in a non-creepy way, of course. See, Liz from Liz and Les, and she's creepy in a creepy way. I mean, she stalks Renee, so, you know. Lizzie's just saying she's different than Liz. I want to surprise you with Happy Mail. Out of all my binders, I only came up with one raggedy old G-Buck. You are so welcome. Love you, Busy Lizzie. P.S. Merry Christmas. And this, seriously, is the most raggedy. This doesn't get to go in my special envelope that I have of G-Bucks, but I love this. Like, this honestly is barely hanging on. Thank you, Lizzie. Lizzie is so amazing. She just makes me laugh all the time. She's just a positive person. She does no like hurtful thing in her body. She does nothing out of ill will. She supports everyone, and I just love her to pieces. She's honestly just the nicest, sweetest person. Thank you, Lizzie. I love it. Oh, the stars. All right, this is my awesome Happy Mail. Thank you so much. Oh, I love everything. Lizzie, you're a doll. Oh, Renee, you know I love you. And I know you did this for me. I know you did. And this is way too good. Ah, I love everything. Peggy, oh, and Cat. Ah, my puggies. These are so adorable. Please check out all their channels, all in their Etsy shops. I'll have everything linked below. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Drinks for sure. All right, let's show my spending. Let's go. All right, now let's look at my spending for the week. And I think you guys might be surprised at how good I did. We shall see. But as you can already see, 3 no spends in a row. Yeah. After last week, we were like, hone it in. So we had a no spend on Sunday, no spend on Monday, no spend on Tuesday. Ah, it felt so good. Wednesday, we were like, okay, we need to get out of the house. So we went to Cheers. You all know. We spent $50. So this wasn't too bad, actually. We didn't eat out. We went home and cooked dinner, which was awesome. We saved money that way, but we still got to go and have a good time. So $50, I'm not complaining. Next day we went to Culver's and we got lunch because we had food prepped most of the weeks, but I think we ran out on Thursday, or we didn't feel like eating. I can't remember which one. Either way, we did Culver's and $28, and it was delicious. The line was super long for some reason. I don't know, but it was good. Okay, the weekend. Blizzard! So we had a blizzard come through. We got more snow, another 9 inches, and I love the snow. I love cold weather. This winter broke me. I have never wanted to explore moving somewhere more than I have this winter. It just has been relentless. We've had 5 months straight of just snow, and I was watching the news, and we are now at the 3rd highest snowfall levels of all time for the state this year. So if we get another 9 more inches of snow for this season, we will get to the #1 spot. But it's like, oh my gosh, I just can't do it anymore. I'm gonna insert the picture now just to show you the snow records, and just know that right now we're at #3 and we're not that far away from #2 or #1. So I'm gonna pause for a second so you can see that picture. Okay, see, that's where we're at now, and we're supposed to get more snow this coming week. So I'm done. I'm just done. I'm done. No more snow, please. But we had a blizzard. We didn't go anywhere. Oh, okay. Saturday. Boop-a-da-boo. Hey, taco friend. Saturday, so we went out and cleared our driveway. It was the most awful experience. Our plows don't come through our neighborhood until usually the afternoon. And with 9 inches of snow, which it hailed and sleet beforehand, so it was all slush underneath and then snow on top, it was so heavy that like the snowblower couldn't even get all of it. And it was just awful. There was someone in our neighborhood decided that they wanted to have food delivered from McDonald's to their house that morning. Now, our roads had not been plowed. There is hardly any clearance. If you have a truck, maybe, car, really unlikely. And this poor delivery driver, probably from DoorDash or whatever, tried to deliver this McDonald's to their house. Well, got stuck in the snow, and I'm out there snow blowing our driveway. And so I offered to help, and he was like, well, let me deliver this food first. He has to go climbing in 9 inches of snow and slush up to this person's house who didn't even clear their driveway to like prep for this delivery person and drop off their food, and came back. And then I was the one that helped dig him out and push his car. Like, he's like trying to shovel under the tires. I snowblowed, like, here's his car, here's the road, here's my house. So I snowblowed from my driveway all the way to his car, a nice clear path so he could just back up and hopefully get back into the tire grooves to get out of our neighborhood, because there's only 2 tire tracks grooves that he could have rode in on because the plows haven't come through and it was a blizzard. And I was so mad at this neighbor that they would make this person bring food to them in these conditions. It just, come on, people. Like, have a soul, have a heart. It bothered me. It really bothered me. But anyways, he was super nice and I helped him. It was so exhausting, but we got him out. And I'm the one pushing the front of his car, and he got it in reverse to get it to back up into our driveway. So then he was able to pull out, and we shoveled a little bit of snow in the curves so that he could get into those grooves and not get stuck again. But we were out there just to clear our driveway. It took an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. And then an extra amount to help this guy get out was at least another 30 to 45 minutes. And I was so exhausted that morning that I just was like, oh my gosh, this is how my day is starting. And I was supposed to meet up with my friend. We were doing a bestie day. We were going to spend all day together hanging out. And I had to text her, like, I'm not ready to go yet. Can we push it back an hour because of all this snow removal and helping this person who got stuck? And she was like, oh yeah, for sure. Like, I just finished my driveway too. She said how awful it was. We both agreed, like, terrible. So anyways, after all that, we ended up having a bestie day. And I don't know why I needed to vent about this delivery thing, but it really bothered me that when it's bad weather, people don't think about the delivery person's access to get to them for the $10 that they're getting delivered from McDonald's. Like, ugh, okay. Okay, so when we do bestie day, we typically will go shopping, we go out to lunch, which always is tacos with chips and queso. Like, that's our thing. And so that was most of our day. So we went to Home Goods. I spent $58 on a new coverlet thing for our bed. We have one, but I wanted to kind of refresh it. We don't have dogs right now, so I could get white, and I love white bedspreads because they just brighten the room up. But when you have dogs that jump on there, like, we don't typically do white, so we've had gray. So I got a new one of those. And then I got a new measuring cup thing. So $58. We went out to lunch and had tacos, and we got a drink, and we had chips and queso. And I think we sat there for like 2 hours and just talked, and it was so fun. I paid for her meal, which usually we split everything 50-50, but I just wanted to treat her. So $60 for tacos. My husband was out and about. He ran and went to Cheers to hang out with some friends. He used his own money, so I don't track it. But he said he did pick up Taco Bell and used our money for that on the way home so that he had dinner. So he got Taco Bell. And then Target. I refresh my grocery money on the 1st and the 15th of every month. So even though I said I ran out of grocery money, I had to wait this whole time to refill it. But because Saturday was the 1st, I now had more grocery money to use. So we went to Target, spent $49. I had to get just a few things to get us by until Sunday when I could do a big grocery haul. But we ended up buying like a frozen pizza and just some candy to bring back to the house. So my friend and I did a frozen pizza for dinner, and that's it. So I had a great day with my friend. We had a lot of fun. My husband did whatever he did. I didn't worry about it. I was with my friend. Okay, so what did we spend for the week, and what did our month look like at the end? So for the week, we spent $263. Now this is a huge, drastic, reduced amount compared to the weeks prior, and it was much needed. Obviously, we really honed it in for the beginning of the week. We did have some fun. We're not going to not have fun, but I think overall we did great. I could have not gotten a new bedspread from Home Goods and saved some money. I could have not offered to pay for her meal, but I wanted to, and we could. So $263 for the month. Whew, we spent $2,567. This was not This was a spendy month. It was also 5 weeks versus 4, but overall it was still just more spendy. But that's the end of the month. We'll now start April, and I'm not mad about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 no spends, which for me is crazy. And yes, when we do spend money, we spend money. But it's just kind of, it's nice to see that during the week, we don't really do too bad. We just have fun on the weekends, and I'm working on shifting our budget to help reflect that spending so that it's budgeted fun and I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that's our week. Sorry about my rant about the snow. It's getting to me. So I'm going to take a deep breath. I'm going to go grocery shopping now and meal prep for this coming week. And that's all I got. So I will see you guys on Wednesday.